Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deandra. If you guys are deciding to watch me, thank you, welcome. Why am I so freaking awkward? I just don't like intros. Like, I don't know, I just don't know like how to just get into it without being awkward. Like, yeah, whatever. Today we are doing my go-to buns that I wear during the summer. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing my go-to buns, then yeah, just keep on watching. I wasn't actually expecting to film today. I have a little bit of time. Why don't I film a video? My hair is like 3 days old, and typically my hair can last up to like 3 to 5 days. It can last without me having to wash it. Like I said, today's like my 3rd day, and I don't know, for whatever reason, I woke up with it like super duper greasy. Right now you probably can't tell because what I used for my hair, honestly, I used to use baby powder. One of my old friends, she taught me that trick. At one point in my life, I used to wash my hair every single day, and she gave me a tip. She's like, hey, don't wash your hair every day. She's like, why don't you just use baby powder? And so for the longest time, I just used baby powder and it worked. Of course, you just kind of have to like really rub it in there. That's the only like issue that I had with using the baby powder, is because with my dark black hair, you could kind of see like residue if I didn't like blend it in well enough. So I've been using Not Your Mother's Plump for Joy. It's a bodybuilding dry shampoo, and it smells so freaking good. I think they have different like smells or scents or whatever, but mine's in orange mango, and really good. I would definitely recommend this one. It's only like $6 or $5 or something like that. I also was using, before this, I was using the Avita. It was like a baby, it was a powder. It reminded me of like the baby powder, but it smelled like Avita products. That was like the only difference I felt. But that was too expensive. That was like $30 for like a little bottle like this, and so I bought it one time and then I didn't buy it again. I went to this $5, and it does amazing, and I feel like it gives me like really good volume. So I have pretty long hair. It's down to my waist, so I just wanted to do like a video hairstyles for, you know, girls with extensions or long hair, just for the summertime, because I don't know, we don't want our hair on our shoulders. It's just a problem. It gets hot and it's just like, okay, so I'm just going to shake this up, and I'm just going to spray this in my hair, and then I just kind of just rub it in. It doesn't leave like any white residue or anything like that. So good. I always just say it's like a bird's nest, because I throw it up and however it comes out, it comes out different ways every time. But it looks every time like a bird's nest, like a big, just messy bird's nest on the top of my head, just like no form. So I have 3 hair ties just in case. So you also need bobby pins. I use tons of bobby pins. So you're just gonna start off with whatever kind of hair. If it's 2nd day hair, I just can't do buns when it's 1st day hair. It doesn't look right. Or I can't do buns when my hair's straight. It also doesn't look right either. So I don't know how to really like talk or describe. I've never really done this, so bear with me. I've never done this. I've never tried to teach somebody how to do, so bear with me. Just kind of put your hair all the way back, or you can do, honestly, I sometimes make like a side and then do it like that. It just kind of gives it some more texture, if you shall. Get my spirit fingers and kind of run my hair through the back of my head and kind of lift the hair upwards. So I'll do it one more time. So I just get my spirit fingers and I start from the back, and I just kind of comb the back of my hair just like this. And then I pick it up. Okay. So I just pick it up, and then you should have just like a pony. And then I just kind of comb. I usually don't use a comb or like a brush, but if you feel the need that you need a comb or a brush, definitely use one. But I usually just use my fingers. Okay, so then you get it as high as you want your bun, and you just grab a hair tie, your elastic or whatever, and this is where I don't know how I'm going to describe it. Okay, so you have your pony and you're just holding it, and I'm just going to show you guys the best I can. You're going to just pull the hair through, and then you're going to basically twist your hand with the hair tie, and then grab the bun. So then you're going to grab the bun, and then you're just going to wrap the elastic around, and if you can, wrap it again. So you're basically just like, and it's going to get tight, so you kind of have to push it on through. But it should create like this big, I know, it looks crazy right now, but it should create like this big mess. It's going to start loosening the bun. So you're just going to start from the top and just start pulling it slowly, just to create, just to kind of loosen the bun. And you just kind of pull from the sides, pull from like the bottom. And then I like to have pieces out, so I'm just going to kind of pull from the side, and I'm going to pull from like here also, because I like my buns to look like super messy. So do kind of whatever you want to do. If you like your buns to look like more structured, then definitely don't do what I'm doing. Now to deal with the bun part, I'm just gonna basically just grab the bun and just start pulling. Just kind of start pulling it. I'll grab the top of the bun and I'll basically like smash it down, because right now it's just like wobbly and too big for me right now. So I'm gonna squish the bun down and then wrap it around. But this is definitely why I call it the bird's nest, because it's a bird's nest. It literally is. It's so big. It's like on the top of my head. So I still have these little pieces on the back, and sometimes that's not cute at all. Sometimes it is. So this is what I use the bobby pins for. So I just grab these pieces, and sometimes you'll have them and sometimes you won't, and that's totally okay. And you can create some if you want. So if they're not there, just kind of pull like a piece out and then you can go in and curl it or whatever. I'm just gonna grab a bobby pin. I'm gonna grab these little pieces in the back of my head. I'm gonna just kind of push them up into my hair. And I don't really know what I'm doing back there. The first bun, this would be called the bird's nest, because it's just so big. It's always on the top of my head. And this is definitely my go-to bun, just because it is so easy, and I just throw it up and I wrap it around, and it literally creates whatever it wants to create that day. My buns never look the same, ever, I don't think. Some days my buns look better than other days, and it's just the way that it turns out. So okay, so for the next hairstyle, it's going to be my top knot bun. I don't really do it like super slicked back. I kind of honestly do mine a little bit messy. I'm more of a like the messy look, like leave my baby hairs out, leave like little hairs coming out. Like I like that, but like I said, if you don't, just go in with some hairspray and put those baby hairs down. So I'm just going to start with my hair all the way back once again. Again, I'm just going to start by getting the spirit fingers and pulling it upwards. And this is the top knot, so I want my hair to be super high. I use a teaser brush, and I do use a teaser brush, just so that way I don't have any bumps. That's the thing that I don't want. So I'm just going to flip my head downwards and just so I'm just holding the pony, and I'm just going to start by twisting the top of the pony basically. And once I get a good twist, I'm just gonna keep twisting all the way. So you basically have this huge twist, and you're gonna basically just keep twisting until it creates it itself. and then you just kind of go with it. And keep twisting. And then you just get your little, and just wrap it around. And these, I don't wear this one as often. I don't wear this one as often, just, I don't know, I just don't know if I like it as much. This one is just like a little bit more structured, if you would, I guess. Like if you're, I don't know, I just imagine this one like with like a blazer, or I don't know. This one's super easy too. I think all buns are very easy, and I think that you can make this one like just a little bit more structured if you would. Or you can also, you have your bun, I mean your pony, and then you literally just start wrapping it around, and you're just kind of creating a cone on the top of your head. Just make sure, and you can secure it with bobby pins, but my hair does not hold with bobby pins. If you want like a bigger, fatter top knot, then I would definitely do this one, because this one's fun. This one's just like really big and in your face. The other one was like little, and it reminded me like a little like a little poop, or like a little, yeah, I don't wear it a lot because I don't think it really flatters me. Like I just don't like a top knot. Like I feel like I just have like an ice cream cone on my head or something. I just feel very awkward with like top knots, but I think they're cute. I have rocked them, and yeah, here's my bigger top knot if you want to know. Okay guys, so for the last bun, it's going to be just a low bun. It's very simple. Probably everybody does it. Probably every bun that I've done today right now, everyone has done it, and everyone knows how to do it. But in case you don't, maybe I'll be the one to show you. Maybe, just maybe. Basically just grab it just like you would a low ponytail. Don't wrap the hair all the way. Just kind of pull the hair through like you are going to wrap it, and then stop, and then just kind of grab all the hair and wrap it again. And then just basically just keep wrapping it. So that way you guys get like kind of like a bun like that. And all I did was just kind of just wrap the hair. Basically just grab the bun and then wrap the hair again. So basically all I did was just pull pieces out just to kind of make it more loose, and then any two loose strands I just kind of bobby pinned together. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just like loosen the top because it's too tight for me. So I'm just going to kind of grab the sides and basically just pull. Don't pull it too much. Just kind of tug at it. That way it just makes it nice and loose. And then pull out any baby hairs or pull out any hairs that you want. If you do, you don't have to. But like I said, I like my buns to be like super messy, and that is basically it. I like to do this bun for work. I really, really enjoy it for work because it just looks so professional, I feel like. All these buns are super, super, super duper easy, and that's what I love about them. You can just kind of throw your hair, your second day hair, or like I said, now that it's summertime, don't even deal with your hair and curling it, because I know I'm not even going to try and curl it anymore. I'm just going to rock it in cute, messy buns. So I'm going to actually show you guys the bun that I'm going to wear today. I just have a couple of errands to run, and I'm also going to the movies later. So I just want to show you guys the bun that I will be rocking today. Give me 1 second. So I just like to always add just like a headpiece or like a head wrap or like a bandana. It just makes the look, a bun just gives a little bit more spice, you know? I don't even know. This is it. This is what I'm gonna rock today. I just put on this cute little floral bandana, which I really love. Just like a light shade blue. I don't know if it really goes with this, but but I'm not planning on wearing this all day. I just wore it for the sake of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed these quick, fun buns for summertime. Don't forget to like and subscribe.